Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the sunlight visibility test between the Redmi K30 versus the Realme X2 device. So if you're first time watching this video, friends, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for the playlist of both the phones, Realme X2 and the Redmi K30. So you can find plenty of interesting videos. So right now I'll be using the Google Chrome browser, and as you can see here friends, I've set the brightness to the auto brightness and the maximum brightness as well. And let's open the Google Chrome browser and compare side by side under the direct sunlight. So we can see which phone will perform better under the direct sunlight. So as you can see here friends, the white color in the Redmi K30, you can notice a little bit of yellowish color, as you can see friends. So when compared with the pure white in the Realme X2 device. So this is the first thing which I noticed in terms of the white color. So let me try to right now play a video, and let's check whether we can watch anything under the direct sunlight in video. Is it possible or not? As you can see friends, I am using with the full brightness right now. You can see the colors as well, which phone has a brighter under the direct sunlight. So overall friends, the IPS LCD panels will have a little bit of advantage in terms of the sunlight visibility. So even here you can see a little bit of Redmi K30 has got a little bit of dark and like bright colors. But overall friends, there is not much difference in terms of sunlight visibility, but only difference you can see in the back side of the panel. The Realme X2 tends to shine a little bit more. You can see that kind of shining happening in the middle, but in the Redmi K30 only in the center. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends, and also do check the links in description. So that's it for this video. See you in the next